Hey, this is Dr. Dean. Thank you so much for joining me. Finding the best ES futures trading room. This is a bold title, but a very difficult problem. Let me show you why. When you face the futures trade industry as a retail trader, you face deceptions, fabrications, and burdens. Let me show you one. First of all, there are a huge number of rooms, 2,188 by my count, and I'm very careful in finding them all. The growth has been steady for the last 9 years, roughly 30 new rooms a month, 300 a year. But here's the big deception. Looky. 99% of them or thereabouts are sales rooms. They are all vendor, no trader. No one trades. So the first red flag in deception is that the futures trade industry is really a futures sales industry. And red flag number 2, virtually no one trades. But there's more. They don't want you to know this. They hide this from you as best they can. When you ask for performance data, they offer creative, clever excuses. One of them says you can't see it unless you're a member. How galactically stupid is that? I'm not going to buy something I can't see, don't know, and is hidden from me. Some of these memberships cost as much as a car. Grow up. These sales rooms then in turn must make all of their money from you, what they sell. So they really look at you as a human ATM since they don't trade. And we talk about traders failing at trading. All the junk and garbage and scams that we get is paid for by us. It's a horrible situation. The burden then becomes that you can't find a room that actually trades. The second problem is axiomatic to the first. There are many sites that claim to trade ES but do not because the industry in general does not trade. Let me show you some of them. There are these, and these, and these, and these, all claiming in some way, shape, or form to trade futures ES. The ones in red I've already bitch slapped in my videos and my papers. Let me show you some right now. Day trading with the light. Look at this. Oh, this is so great. Rare wisdom, profitable side business. $250 to $400 a day. How many F's can I give it? 5. 5 F's. Here's another one. Power email. Let me take a look at this data, shall we? Here's what they have posted at their website. This is for 2020, the entire year. 2 targets, so 2 contracts per trade. Target 1 makes this much. Target 2 makes almost the same. Really? And net profit or points is 518 points. 2 contracts a trade, 412 trades, by the way. So $38,000 per 3 contract trade minus the round trip cost means they net $32,000 for the year. $79 per 3 contract trade. My margin for ES is $90, so I would call these a weak trade. But here's the deception. This is hypothetical backtesting trades. There are no execution. Deception number 2. There's only about 8 trades a week, so roughly 1 overnight, 1 per day, and they're held overnight. Deception number 3. You notice how they talk about points and not money? That's because this is an alert service. Trades are never taken. Why do they go through almost effort and energy to come up with an alert and not execute the trade? They are a sales room. No trades. And if they don't trade, how can it be power anything? Here's another one. The trader chick. I like her. You go to her site, you see there with her jeans and boots on, and her hat, and her jeans and boots on. All boots, jeans, and hats, but no trading and no track record. F. Google searches are useless. Let me show you why. If I search for most successful futures trading rooms, I get 3 videos, and oh, by the way, they're all mine. Now let's search for most successful futures trade room run by zombies. Get 3 rooms, again, all mine, except one is different. Best Dow. Let's take a look at that. In that video, I have a voodoo doll of Dow Daddy and a voodoo pennant. And, well, I might have a Viper there, I'm not sure. And another voodoo doll of Alex. So, Okay. This is a fraud room. Maybe that's why they think it's run by zombies. Hey, stop that. Claims of success and accomplishments run rampant. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a site. We Trade Desk. Superman. Market heroes. Look at these guys. Look at that folded arm contest. Wow, that's pretty close call. 124 years of experience to be exact. So I write them and I say, can I review your trade data and performance, please? And they say, we are not money managers nor trading system available to the public, so we do not publish any performance. So what do you call a dance studio where they do not dance? What do you call a bowling alley where they do not bowl? What do you call a trade room where they do not trade? A sales room. Trade the plan. I was in his room. It's a live trading room. I like that. I was in there for one day and a second day, and then another day and another day, and yet another day and another day, and another day. And all I saw was, well, all I heard was talkie. Virtually no trades. Let's take a look at another one. Mr. X. How ridiculous is this, really? About him, he began his trade in high school. Oh, I'm so impressed. 5 years. No data, no performance, no name. 500 hours a month. FFFFF. Simple Trading approached me many times in a row to trade with them. I turned them down. They seemed to be aggravated after a while. The guys on the right, exactly the same thing. I said no. They got a little angry with me. So how do you find a good room that posts a track record to make some money and actually trades at all? Well, the old-fashioned way. You can look at the rooms, take trials, 3 or 4 a day, apply critical evaluation, use an Excel spreadsheet to track them, develop and apply a universal metric standard for worthiness, and a 3 per day would take you about 3 years. Perhaps if you're fortunate and careful, you'll find 5 sites like I did. Or, if you wish, you can buy my paper. It has the same subject. I give you information on how many trades per day, how much is the profit loss per trade, what's their hours of operation. You can order this sort of paper at the Global Trade Titans website. Look for this icon and click away. And it goes through PayPal. It's Dr. Dean, as always. Thank you for joining me. Agree or disagree, let me know your thoughts. Bye-bye.